Hello, today I am making some dilly green beans, pickled green beans. So let's get these in here. This one I am going to make spicy, so I'm just going to throw some jalapenos in there. And cloves of garlic. 4 cloves per jar. I'm going to smash these to give them some. Those are kind of small. Okay. Let's finish filling these. Oh. Why is that lid not tightening up? Let me get these filled and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the garlic and the bay leaves in these. Did I do bay leaves in those? I don't think I did. I only done garlic. I done bay leaves in this one. Alright, and it says fresh dill. Like I said, I am using 1 teaspoon equals 1 teaspoon dry equals 1 tablespoon fresh. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons in each of these because they are dilly, so they're supposed to be extra dilly. And this small one, I'll just do 1. I'm going to do some black pepper seeds just to give it some. Alright, now for the liquid. Bay leaves help keep them crisp. So get these sealed up. White is spicy. Yellow is dilly. Blue is dilly. Let them sit in your refrigerator and marinate for about 2 weeks. And when you get ready to eat them, they're going to be yummy in the tummy.